this is the end of the nightmare job, guys. I'm all finished with it. I'll be finishing editing it right now, and I'll get it up there tomorrow. I'm going to be posting videos now every Wednesday and every Saturday. So come and join me. There'll be new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. I have a whole list of them. I just have to get them edited. That takes time, and when you're working and doing all this other stuff, it's hard to do that stuff, edit the videos and get them up there. But if you like the videos, subscribe, share, leave comments. There's a whole playlist that talks about the nightmare job. So enjoy it. All right, I'm probably in one of the hardest remodel jobs I've done in a long time. This has got everything: holes, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, plaster patching, angles galore. This is a nightmare here too. Let me shut this light off. Everything is coming up into this corner right here. They really turned out really well. Here's these, really good. It all looks really good here. Here's that curve and how it turned out. I also have this, like a whole bunch of angles coming in together there, and they're coming in together here. So it really turned out well. For this job, and all of the angles and everything that was going on in here, it turned out very well. You guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe, and if you really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right, you guys have a great day.